Hey guys, this is Mrs. Ross, and I'm going to show you how to upload your program for the physical robot when you have a physical robot challenge. So I'm in the cs2n.org curriculum. It says Introduction to Programming with Virtual EV3, Virtual and Physical Edition. As we scroll down, you'll see that this is virtual. This is the little computer. And if you finished it, it turns green. If you haven't finished it, it stays gray. And if you keep moving down, you'll see the very first, since we go from left to right, the very first challenge where we have a physical challenge, this is the virtual challenge moving forward, and then this has a virtual and a physical is here. So I'm going to open that. And it says if you have a physical robot, you place the 2 pieces of tape. Virtual robot, you're going to complete down here. In our curriculum, we do the virtual first and then we do the physical because the virtual will help you to work out any programming problems you have. But what you're going to find out, so you'll do this one first, you'll open this, you'll launch it, it'll have your little robot guy, it'll all of that. So, and then you can see here it says program 50 centimeter upload challenge and then video upload. So when you do your physical robot, you're going to upload your program, the program that you write, and the video. So this video is just about how to upload the program. So your program should be in, let's see, in here. So when you're programming the physical robot, this is where you're going to be. And I go ahead and exit out of that and go to new project. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to open one of my other projects. Is it going to let me open? Open. Let's see. Let's do the 50 centimeter challenge. Is it not moving forward? We'll do that one. Let's just open that one. So this is one of the programs that I had. And I named the program, which is up here. You click on these 3 dots and you can name it right here. This is going to save automatically into some folder in your on your computer, but what you might want to do is you might want to file save as and save it in your OneDrive. Like I have a robotics folder. If you need to know how to make a robotics folder, you can, but that way it's in your OneDrive because I'm not exactly sure where it goes if it just saves. But there's my folder or my program. So if I'm going to upload that program, when I come here, I would click and then I would browse, and then I'm going to go find my program, which I think is in robotics. Moving forward, oh, that's a video. There, and I would open it. I've already uploaded this program. And then I would upload the file, and it'll upload your program here. I will be making another video about how to make a video of your robot completing the challenge and how to upload that video. But this one is just for uploading the program. Problems that I can foresee happening is not being able to find your program. I mean, you can find it here, but you may not be able to find it in whatever folder it's supposed to go to. So we're going to have to find out where it goes when you save it, especially if you don't save it in OneDrive, which is really where you need to save it. But other than that, once you have your program done and saved, it should be very easy to upload your program for any of the physical challenges. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.